Welcome to Sue Q's world. My love of travel started with my passion for penguins. Find out where that has led me as I share experiences of extraordinary destinations, sustainable travel and concepts, wildlife and our environment, whilst recounting the stories and ambitions of people we've met along the way. Welcome to the 6th video in my Sustainable Tourism at Four Seasons Maldives series. This one's called Eliminating R22 Gas. When we visited in 2022 and took the back of house tour, which I can highly recommend, we learnt that they were in the process of changing all of the air conditioning units in the staff housing, and it was quite a big project at the time. So I asked Faisal how that was going.
So for the last time, I remember you were replacing a lot of the air conditioning units in the staff area. How's that going?
So the project has now completed.
Okay.
A lot of our staff rooms had the old, not very energy efficient units, which was installed when the hotel was built. It was over 14 years of old units, and it was using the R22 gas, which is banned to use in the Maldives from 2023 onwards, actually. So we have to find a new solution. So we have now installed a split unit that shares the indoors for one outdoor for 4 rooms, and we were able to achieve a reduction in energy consumptions about 20% from our employee housing. And these are more energy efficient units.
Yes.
And we are thrilled that we were able to complete that particular project. That helped us to reduce our energy consumptions, thus diesel consumptions, thus the CO2 emissions, right?
Yeah, absolutely. 20% is quite a significant number actually for reduction, isn't it? And of course you have a lot of staff here. There's over 400, I think, around.
Correct.
Yeah. So
we have about 450 permanent staff, plus external third-party staff that comes and goes every day.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good saving. Yeah. Amazing. Cool. Right.
R22 gas was commonly used as an air conditioning refrigerant, but it aids the depletion of the ozone layer along with other CFCs. And as a gas, it works its way into the upper atmosphere, and then it turns the ozone into carbon dioxide, so really not good. So it's great to see that this has all been eliminated now from the staff housing there. And then the additional 20% reduction in their energy use, that's a really big saving on their CO2 output overall. In addition, the staff are really happy because these units are much more efficient. So if you're interested in sustainable tourism, then watch out for my next and last video in this series.